working on a FitBit Inspire where the case is fractured and no longer holds the wristband into place. So I'm going to fix it with some adhesive. First thing I'm going to do is clean it up with an alcohol swab to make sure I get down to the plastic and remove any oils or contaminants. And once I get it cleaned up, I'm going to work in the adhesive. I've got 10 minutes or so to work with this adhesive before it begins to set up. And once it sets up, it takes 48 hours to achieve the full strength bond. So once I get it put together, I'll set it aside for 2 days and not move it at all. So right now I've cleaned it up and I'm working the adhesive into all the crevices of the band. And I want to make sure not to get any on the exposed outside parts, but I want to make sure that I do get adhesive fully engaged into whatever I can. Now I'm putting it into the case, same way. And then once I join the two pieces, there will be some excess adhesive that comes out, and I'll remove what comes out with that same alcohol swab there. And I'm not so worried about the adhesive being visible on the underside of the band, but on the outside I don't want it that exposed, so I'm wiping that away now with that same swab. On the inside I'm okay with it. It actually is okay to have a lot under there to improve the integrity of the bond. But on the outside I don't want it to appear that it's been glued together. So I'm going to work the pad into the crevice there and wipe away whatever adhesive I can. And so once I get it cleaned up, I'll set it aside for a full 48 hours before I even touch it again. I want to give it a chance to fully cure and achieve its high strength. The adhesive I'm using is supposedly will adhere to most any material known to man. So hopefully this thing will be good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck with your FitBit repair projects.